Hello everyone, welcome to ATL Marathon 2023. I'm Chavi Angadi.
I'm Devansh Pafna.
And I'm Siddharth Kumaran from Grade 7 in Excel Public School.
The year 2023 has been named the International Year of Millets.
This is because of the global challenge faced in feeding the ever-growing population, for which millets can be a perfect solution.
Similar to rice and wheats, millets are rich in carbohydrates. However, they have more protein, dietary fiber, iron, and calcium.
Millets consume less water than rice,
Takes less time to grow than wheat,
and consumes less energy to process.
so they can also be called climate-friendly crops.
We want to help the world understand the benefits of millets, and we believe our idea might be a good bet.
For marketing millets on a global scale, the whole world is our demographic.
From a survey, we found out that large percentage of people play Android games.
So we felt that marketing millets through an Android game would be very effective.
So we shall introduce you to a game which we have developed based on your diet called Millet Mania.
Our game Millet Mania introduces the player to the millet city where millets are the main staple food.
A resident of Millet City introduces the player to the city and lets them play a game.
Then a cookbook with dishes containing millet recipes depending on the meal they choose appears. Once the player clicks on the dish of his or her choosing, the nutritional value of the dish is shown along with the recipe.
The player then has to play a mini game, snake game, to earn the ingredients so the meal can be prepared and fed to the resident.
By playing this game, the player is introduced to many different millet-based breakfast, lunch, and dinner food items, along with the nutritional value as well.
The human body nutrition requirement chart will also be shown so that the player gets informed about healthy eating habits.
Chavi worked on the research document and the video script.
Devansh and Siddharth together worked on the game.
Food security, agricultural productivity, and sustainable soil management are some of the major topics of concern for the G20.
And with India holding presidency of the G20, they'll push for promoting millets globally.
And Millet Mania may just be the perfect tool for it.